Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fry the gourami fish. You can apply with the other fish too. And this one is the fish that we buy in the market. And then we gonna clean the gourami fish with the water. This one will help to clean out the chemical or other things that cover the fish. And then we need to wash with the water. And then we going to dry the water out and let it dry under the sun for 1 day. And now it's after 1 day under sun, and then we need to cut on the fish to make it more crispy when we fry. And then we going to add the vegetable oil into the pan and use the high heat and wait for oil to heat. This is important. If you don't use the high heat, and then you can make the skin of the fish is stuck on our pan. And then we put our fish and fry it. Then change to the low heat immediately. Continue to fry until the fish is cooked and crispy into the inside. It's fry for one side for about 5 minutes or until it's golden brown, and then you turn to other side and continue to fry in other side in the same time, like 5 minutes. But the crispy or yellow golden brown is depend what you like. If you like more crispy, you can fry it more times. And now it's ready for fried fish. And then let's serve with the steamed rice or sticky rice. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.